Alright guys, in this quick tutorial I'm gonna show you how you can add friends on Monopoly Go. So right here at the bottom right corner we can see the friends option. So if we press on friends, as you can see here, you will be able to locate all of your friend requests and you can either accept them or deny them, obviously. So right here under it you will see as well the suggested tab. So if you want to add friends from the suggested tab, obviously we have this button right here that says add, and we can either hide it or add. But how do we actually want to add, and how do we actually do it? How do we add some of our real life friends? Well, there are two ways. Obviously you have the way of adding friends by contacts. So if you click right here, you can just add people from your contacts that you have in your phone. And the other way is by going right here and pressing on the invite button. So from here you can either share the link with them or just directly text them on Messenger, and that's how they become your friends, and that's how you do it. I hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and sub. I'll see you next time. Goodbye.